Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to change currency on Steam account. So make sure you will have logged in, and as you can see, this is my currency in USD, and I want to just change. So what we're gonna do, we will just move in the top is your username. Just tap and just tap for account details. So just tap on it as well. After, as you can see, there's an option of update store country. So right now my country is Pakistan and I want to just change in euros, so we will just tap for update store country as well. And right now it will says that you just have to please contact support team. Just tap on it as well. So from here you will just have to select your country and just type for in details, I want to change my account USD to euro. Just tap to send, and after 24 hours it will just send you a feedback and your problem has been resolved. So that's it. Thank you.